This is why things look like shit. That's not even close to a straight line. I don't even know what I'm doing. Stop clunking! Ah! Nope. It's not it either. Seam ripping. Takes forever! That works too. And finish your seam. Boom, you're finished. Next step. I should take a break. Yep. Where the heck did I put those scissors? There. Yep, that's gonna need a band-aid. Balls, that's not even what I meant to cut. Suck it in, Sophie! Suck it in! Hey! No. That's not gonna fit you. Sure as hell ain't gonna fit me. Stupid boobs. What are these buttons for? Beautiful. They're fake pockets. Take break. Where'd that thread go? That was stupid. And through the needle. Through the needle. Through the needle. Damn. No one will see it. Keep going. Nah, who measures? Who irons? Should have ironed it. Well, it gives it character. So much fabric, and not a clue what to do with it. Music. Music will help. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Break. No, I forgot to take a picture. I'm gonna do this. Google it. Kind of looks like the picture. If you take out this part and all of that one. Break time. Okay. More break time. Well, it was a dress till I shortened it. Now it's a whole dress. Single fold bias tape. In no directions. Awesome. Seriously? Anatomy of a machine. How long you want the stitch to be? To make it squiggly? And I don't know. Backwards, forwards, backwards, and then you cut. In that part. Please catch, please catch, please catch. It didn't catch. Okay, let's do this. Please? Nope. Please? Nope. Please work. Please? Nope. Please work. Nope. No! Please work! Please work! Why aren't you working? Please work! This is dumb. Okay. That's not straight. I mean, how many yards? What is that in feet? What the hell does top stitch mean? I have one stitch. It's called machine. Zipper, foot, buttonhole, foot, multi-purpose foot, straight stitch foot, walking foot, even feed foot. Now they're just playing jokes on me. Pinking shears. I have these. It's gonna have to do. Stop bunching! Why aren't you moving? Why aren't you moving? Ah, success! Ah. Darn it! Ah, balls. Ah, shit! How do I even do that? Ah. I don't even have the needle threaded. If I don't come unthreaded, I don't know how to thread you! Nailed it! Oh yeah! Uh-huh. Who enjoys this? I've never used half of these. I'm in Roy G. Biv order. The only way to do your thread. Of course. Brown doesn't fit in Roy G. Biv. I gotta find that. Why is it always hot in here?